I'm riding the escalator up to show you the entrance, San Francisco Center. So that is my brand, or should I say the original Emporium. Amazing vestibule. And when you come in here, you see the dome coming in. This is my ritual that I picked up when I watch Crazy Rich Asians. I'm going to go down now and show it to you again. The dome is up there. I was saying that I picked up this ritual beginning of Crazy Rich Asians because I was how do you say, I was boycotting the Century Cinemas for a few years because of something that I'll tell you about in another post, or you can comment and ask me directly. But yeah, showing the vestibule before I go outside. This is the interior. Amazing. There's a lot of people here. You see the dome up there. Isn't it great? Leaving the mall. Leaving my second home until I come back again. Probably on Monday, probably very soon. So I'm following instructions and coming out accordingly to the safety in out in the vestibule. Market Street. Facade of the Emporium building. Isn't it lovely? Even the Emporium has a Hagen Dart trim for the 19th century touch. You know what? I have to admit, I have never noticed these lovely windows ever, because I'm always rushing off to a movie. Look at it. Michael Kors has one of these prime windows, and then on this side, Rolex. That's what this tag says. Albert Prices, 1896. There you go, a little bit of the history